Sector Gamma, we have movement. Proceeding with caution. Stand by for extraction.
Transporting them requires speed and precision. Each container is handled with extreme care. Tracking ensures every specimen is accounted for. The journey shifts from wilderness to industrial scale.
What you're witnessing is the beginning of a transformation from wild snake to luxury material used in high-end fashion.
This facility processes exotic leather on a massive scale. Only authorized personnel can access this controlled environment. The next stage begins with strict inspection. Temperature and conditions are carefully regulated. Inside, precision meets industrial efficiency.
Each specimen is evaluated for quality.
Safety remains the highest priority.
Size and texture determine value.
2.4 meters.
Different species yield different leather patterns. Every detail is recorded in advanced systems. Hygiene is essential for premium results. Only specialized tools are used in this process. The transformation is about to begin. Every step must be executed perfectly.
Here, experts decide which skins meet luxury standards before entering production.
The outer layer is carefully separated for use.
Stretching ensures maximum usable surface.
Impurities are thoroughly removed. Machines assist in deep cleaning. Manual precision enhances quality. Unique patterns define luxury appeal. Solutions preserve and strengthen leather. This step prevents decay. Controlled drying ensures durability. Now the leather begins to transform. Tanning enhances flexibility. Chemicals bind with fibers. Natural tones evolve into rich textures.
Flexibility defines premium quality.
This process is what gives exotic leather its luxurious feel and long-lasting durability.
Heat control is critical. Rough surfaces transform into polished leather.
Only flawless skins move forward.
Shine reflects premium craftsmanship. Now creativity takes over.
Every bag starts with design.
Precision technology guides cutting. Accuracy is essential. Craftsmanship meets technology. Symmetry enhances luxury appeal. Preparation ensures perfection. Each bag requires multiple components. Quality control continues.
Every detail matters.
This is where raw material becomes fashion, each piece carefully shaped for luxury bags.
Assembly begins with precision stitching. Human skill defines final quality. Comfort meets durability. Structure begins to form. Luxury details complete the look. Flawless stitching is essential. The transformation is nearly complete.
Every flaw is corrected immediately.
Mass production meets craftsmanship. Final touches begin.
Shine enhances visual appeal. Edges are sealed for durability.
Finishing refines details. Each bag gains its final form.
What started in the jungle is now a high-end luxury product ready for the global market.
Only perfect pieces are approved.
Presentation matters as much as quality.
Luxury is in every detail. Scale of production is massive. Efficiency drives global supply. Tracking ensures global delivery.
Ready for shipment.
Logistics keep operations moving. Distribution begins. Thousands of products move daily. From factory to market. Connecting production to consumers. Final destination reflects prestige.
From dangerous wilderness to elegant fashion, this is the incredible journey of snake leather.
Each piece tells a story.
Craftsmanship meets design.
Demand for exotic luxury continues to grow.
Presentation elevates value.
A symbol of transformation.
A journey few ever witness.
Nature transformed into luxury. From wild to refined. An industry built on precision and transformation.
This is the complete journey from jungle discovery to luxury creation.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.